snowing like So right now, it is snowing like crazy in Oswego. I just got outside. Literally, just now, I got outside. And already, look at this. I'm already completely covered in snow. I am completely covered. Look at this. This literally started like 2 minutes ago. Oh, sorry, not 2 minutes, like 20 minutes ago. So when I first came home, the snow is about just under my thumb. Now, let's look at this. It's almost to the thumb now. Let's see. I mean, already, I would say almost an inch came down like the last 20 minutes. I would say this is at least 2 to 3 inches an hour, at least. I mean, it's coming down right now. Oh, great. It's really coming down right now. Very heavy snow. I mean, let's look at this now. Wow. Like over an inch. Wow. Yep, we just got like over an inch of snow in just like the past 20 minutes. Let's see. I mean, the band is lifting north, so it should be over in like 20 minutes. Let's see. Oh my God. All of this came down in like the last 20, 30 minutes. All of this. I mean, if this band was sitting over Oswego and not moving, we could easily pick up like 3-4 inches of snow in an hour. It means we could get 2 feet in just a few hours if this was just sitting over us. Look, the snow's already tapering off. Literally just boom. Like, look at that. Beginning the video, the visibility was terrible. Like, it was horrible visibility. It was like not even a tenth of a mile. And now it's much better visibility. You could even see the clouds now. Look, the moon's coming out. The band's now lifting to the northeast. And now it's flurrying. Look at that. Look at that. That's how quickly the snow's tapered off. In like literally 2 minutes, we went from crazy snowfall rates to just basically just light snow now. Look at that. Just like that, it's over. Just like that. Boom. We went from having monster, like crazy snow, like, to now just light flurries. I mean, look at this now. I mean, look at this. In only 20 minutes, I mean, when I first came here, the snow was like up to like this part of the thumb, just like right here. And now it's touching the thumb. See? We have 8 inches of snow in the ground, with most of that from lake effect. Because most of the snow Oswego got was indeed lake effect. Because on Thursday, Oswego got snow from a storm system that gave us like 1 or 2 inches. And then it actually kind of warmed up. So the snow kind of compacted and then refroze. So it looks like 8 inches of lake effect here in Oswego. Yeah, Oswego definitely got buried here. All of this is lake effect. I mean, yeah, this is all lake effect. In fact, I'm taking off the big chunk of snow here. And then there's ice on the top. I think that was from an earlier event that happened like a few days earlier before that snow event. So, yep. Yeah. So I can tell where the refrozen snow is. And right now I'm feeling new snow. New snow. Okay. Yep. Looks like about 6 inches of lake effect. right about 6 inches. So we got about 2 inches of yep. Let's see. Yep. This is when I reach the snow from the storm system. Oh, this much. So the rest is lake effect. So if I push my thumb all the way down till the snow is at the top, that's the storm from the system before the lake effect machine kicked in. So Oswego got about 6 inches from lake effect. So from that whole event from Thursday through today, including the system, that's 8 inches. But if you're just going to factor in lake effect, about 8 inches. 6 inches. So very impressive. Definitely impressive. Parts of New York City actually got more snow than we're having here. So southern Bronx and Queens, southern Queens and Brooklyn, 8 inches of snow. Southern Staten Island, over 10 inches. Northern Bronx, 2 inches. So in New York City, you got varying amounts from 2 to 10 inches. This is usually happening during a lake effect. But you had a very crazy convergence band that was dubbed a death band. That wasn't even barely forecasted. I mean, they were forecasting a band that could form on some of the models, but those models were only saying maybe in the area of 5 to 6 inches. But this storm system completely overperformed. They even said, common overperforming storm. This overperformed like crazy. And now look, you can see the flashing lights. Earlier, you couldn't even see those trees. You could barely see those lights over there. I mean, we were getting rates of about 2 to 3 inches an hour, possibly even more. But the snow very quickly stopped. Almost all the snow you're seeing on the ground, like 80% of it, this is lake effect. This is almost all lake effect snow. This is literally all lake effect here. Normally, the lake effect machine stays to our north or to the southwest. You would need that perfect wind right over Oswego to give you the most amount of snow. And for a bit, we were having that perfect wind. But now the winds are turning more westerly, meaning that the band is lifting north. Most of the snow is actually over Camillus, just south of Fulton, like around Baldensville, between Baldensville and Fulton. It's where the bulk of the snow was. Now, it's lifted north over Oswego. When I was in Syracuse, it was clear. There was no snow in Syracuse. I was only getting the edge of the snow when I was around the regional transportation center, which is north of downtown. And then we got into some of the heavy stuff when we're going through about Clay, Liverpool, heavy snow. But in downtown Syracuse, it was clear skies. So clear skies, snow along the way, and then clear skies again. We just had a huge burst. There was no snow in the car. In fact, there was literally no snow. So I came home at about 8:30. I got home. When I got home, it was not snowing at all. In fact, the road was actually pretty bare. These sections were bare. You could actually see the ground. Now look, you could actually see the ground. Now look, in only 25 minutes, we got about an inch of snow. Just under an inch. This burst literally lasted 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. The peak of it. And now look, the sky's clearing out. Yep, lake effect band is over. We're still getting a band of lake effect snow, but it's drifted north. Let's see how much came down. Normally, lake effect snow is full of grapple. But it's so cold because we're under a very cold air mass. Surface temperatures are in the low 20s, so Syracuse is 22. Here, I would say it's 25, 26. Look, I just came outside. Look at this. Look at all that snow. I mean, look at all the snow that's on me. So this all fell like in the last 20 minutes. Like, even during nor'easters and blizzards, I've never seen snow fall this quickly. It's only during convective events or during some of the craziest snow bands of nor'easters I would ever see snow fall that fast. Now it's done. Now it's probably in Scriba now. Now Scriba's probably getting some heavy snow. I think most of this snow from this band fell in areas south of Oswego. But the lake machine is not over. There's going to be another cold blast coming in about 24 hours. So then we're going to get a shift of winds to the northwest. So there's going to be a lake band that's going to come north of us and then over us and then go to the southwest. And then as we're going to get a northwest wind, it's going to be too cold and like too sharp out of the northwest. You need like a west-northwest wind, kind of like this. You don't want it like this. You don't want it like this. You want about 270 degrees from the west-northwest. Because you don't want it like this. You don't want 290. That's west. You don't want 260. You want right about 270. You want a northwest wind. You want it right over Oswego. Like you want it coming down in such a way that's going to give Oswego almost all the snow. That's very unusual. Usually, most of the lakes bands go west to east towards the Tug Hill. No one's commenting, so I'm just gonna end the stream. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm gonna go on my PC and stream, but I'm pretty much done for now. Yeah, we just had a very heavy lake effect, man. So right here, let's see. So right about here. So everything above here is all lake effect. Right here, lake effect. And now right here, this is when you get out of you hear that? That's refrozen snow. So you can see. So I'm going to put my thumb in again. Watch this. And I can tell when I start running into refrozen snow. It's still very soft, very soft. There we go. So right about here. So. Bingo. Right about here. So yep. So about 6 inches of lake effect. But that's not just from today and yesterday, it's also from Thursday evening through today. So in the last 48 hours, we've picked up about 6 inches. Most of it yesterday and today. Because the lake effect event on Thursday night, you just got very strong winds. Most of it was Friday through today. So Friday through today, we picked up about 6 inches of snow. Thank you for watching.